Hello and welcome to Kim's Creations, and I bet you all know what my name is. Yes, it is Kim, and I am just getting started on my acrylic pouring journey. Well, actually that's a lie. I'm just getting started on my YouTube posting of my acrylic pouring journey. I started about a year ago, and with watching so many fantastic artists who I still watch to this day, who have just inspired me to get out and try all the different things that they do. Olga Sobey was one who I came across right at the very beginning, and she was kind of the catalyst to get me into trying all this and expanding my viewing of different artists. So there are so many fantastic artists out there, but the following are 5 of my favorites, and I will link their channels below. I'm sure that I'm missing quite a few people, but as I go along in sharing my videos, I will definitely link the inspiration in the messages below, or in the description below. So Olga Sobey, as I already said, was the start, the catalyst to my journey. But I love watching Canela Sirocco, Rinska Dauna. Both of them do Dutch pours and are amazing artists. And then I got onto Mina Viega. Love watching her stuff, and her awesome HOA who helps her and does a lot of her editing for her. Both of them fantastic, so fun to watch. And Sarah Mack. Sarah Mack, when I saw her her videos, I was totally hooked on her galaxy style pours. And wow, that was really what got me started. I was like, I am determined I'm gonna do this. And so the first video in my YouTube channel is really an ode to Sarah Mack and one of the fantastic pours that she has done, and I will find that video and link it again in the description below. So yeah, this is all inspired by Sarah Mack, and this is not anywhere as easy as I thought it would be. You know, it looks so fun. They make it look so easy. I mean, how hard can it be? You're layering paint in a cup and you turn it over or you pour it out and the magic happens. Yeah, it's a lot more than that. There's a lot of science and ratios and all the rest in it. And I think that's what makes it such an incredible journey and why people stick to it for so long. So welcome to my journey, and let's get started with my first pour, which was again inspired by the lovely Sarah Mack. Okay, this is gonna be third time lucky, I hope. Let's see. Okay. Please work. That was Metallic Sapphire. This is Ultramarine Blue. I'm gonna go in with an eensy, weensy bit of gold. Like, that's it. Man, look at that. Static. Now I'm gonna do orange. Bordeaux red. My cap back over there. Okay, Bordeaux red, quinacridone magenta, I'm gonna go back to some orange. Then we're gonna do gold. Then white. Just making sure this is really mixed up, because I've been having issues with this white. I'm not sure what's going on. White. I'm gonna go back to the gold. Might be too much, we'll see. Ultramarine blue. Cup is way full, way full. Mixing this up again, the white. Put the puddle down. You can see when I'm pouring the puddle that when you're doing that, you add a whole bunch of air. So a little more in there. So I'm gonna pop the bubbles. They're coming up almost as fast as I'm popping them. All right, good enough for now. Still see lots of bubbles on the surface here. All right, let's do this. Third time lucky. Here we go. Just getting the last little bit out. Yes. Whew. I like what I'm seeing so far. Oh, here's the cup. Looking pretty cool. Just gonna leave it over there for a minute. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just centering my paint a little bit here. This is looking cool. I like what I'm seeing happening through here and here. Lots developing over there. Oh, please, please let this be good. Praying to the paint gods. All right, this is just flow extender, as I said before. Maybe I will just add a wee bit of water to it. The reason I'm doing that is to make it thinner than the paint that's on the surface here. All right, gave that a good mix. Let's pour it out. When you scrape your canvas and you save the scrapings, your paint's not really going to waste if you keep it and then use it as flow extender. For the base. All right. I apparently did not put my spatula back. All right. Never fear. I have my nice lowly Veffy scraper, which I can just use to float over the surface here to extend the paint out. I think I'm just gonna go around in a circle. Slowly opening things up. All right, I'm just gonna bring it back to center. So you can see the swirl pattern that's happening here, and that was because as I was pouring the cup out, I rotated it a little bit, and that's creating that swirl, and it's just opening up a little more as I'm stretching this out. So look at those little stripy cells. Oh, the gold's coming up through here. I love all this. Wow. Got some cool cells here that I'm probably gonna lose. But that is how This cookie crumbles. Yeah. I'm gonna go off this edge here by me and back. And I'm gonna continue to rotate it around. And then go off that edge and back. And around. And back. Wow. All right, final edge. Just have to make it centered a little bit more. And there, and back. Wow.